Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Spirit Bunny Pom Pom fast and easily without grinding tons of quests or activities. So first, Spirit Bunny Pom Pom is a special event currency that used to buy items in the Easter event like this. You can see it. You can buy items in the Easter event shop using this Spirit Bunny Pom Poms, and normally you can get it from the daily quest rewards. This one, or you can also get it from the activities like fishing, cooking, bird watching, and more. But honestly, that can take quite a bit of time. So now here's the easier method. You can actually buy the Spirit Bunny Pom Pom using Moonlight crystal like this. Just tap on revival him, and then in here you can just tap on the plus icon, and then in here you can just see that one Moonlight crystal, this one, the blue crystal like this, can be traded for two Spirit Bunny Pom Poms like this. You can see it. And the best part, Moonlight crystal are super easy to get, especially from the daily login rewards. This one, you can get the Moonlight crystal from the guild sign in. This one, you can get it every day over here. So don't worry about how to get it easily. So if you want to get more Spirit Bunny Pom Poms, just uh, buy it with the Moonlight crystal like this. For example, like this, you can just adjust the amount that you want to buy, and then after that just tap on purchase, and just like that your Spirit Bunny Pom Pom will be increased easily like this. And okay, that's it for this week guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.